The day of Arafat is misleading because Arafah is a mountain, a small mountain, is holy shrines. And the day of Arafah is called after the place where people meet and gather supplicating to Allah Azza wa Jal on the 9th of the Hijjah. And that is the origin of the confusion that a lot of the Muslims have. They say, okay, we sight the moon to know the beginning of the lunar year, so that we know Ashura, when is Ashura and when is Tasu'a, etc. And we sight the moon wherever we are to know when Ramadan starts and when it ends, so that we know when to fast and when to celebrate Eid al-Fitr. Now when it comes to Arafat, there is only one occasion, one location, which is Arafah, where people stand everywhere. So if this is the case, then definitely you have a problem. Because if I sight the moon in Canada and they tell me that Arafat is the, and the Muslims in Saudi Arabia are standing in Arafat on Monday. So how could that be? Well, the answer would be is that Allah Azza wa Jal gave us the forgiveness of 2 years based on fasting the 9th of the Hijjah, which is the day of Arafat. Whether the 9th of Hijjah corresponds with the 9th of Hijjah in Saudi Arabia or it doesn't, it all depends on the sighting of the moon in your country. And to make this a bit easier, imagine the situation 100 when they did not have satellites, when they did not have fast communication tools that enabled people to know the exact date in a distant, far country. So by this, you would understand that the people in North America 100 years ago, if you had any Muslims at the time, they would fast in accordance to the sighting of the moon. They would not have an idea on Tuesday or Monday in Saudi Arabia. Maybe they would know 3 or 4 weeks later, but it would be too late. That is why Islam is suitable for every place, time, and country. Hence, by sighting the moon, by fasting the 9th of the Hijjah in accordance to your sighting, this, inshallah, would suffice and would give you the reward.